In this video, I'm going to show you two methods you can use to remove the background color from pasted text in Google Docs. In this example, I've copied some text from the internet, and it has this gray background color that I want to remove. So the first method I'm going to show you is the keyboard shortcut. First, highlight the text. Then, on your keyboard, press Ctrl plus space, and that will remove the formatting. And there you have it. The background color has been removed. The next method is the clear formatting method. First, highlight your text. Then click on Format and select Clear Formatting. That will remove the background color. As you can see, the background color is gone. If this video was helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.